Euclid Gardens has 123 houses in it, and I just want to talk a little about how we could get that from 1 to 123 without it just like clearly being obvious. We could take the larger number, subtract the smaller number, but then we have to add 1 on to get back to 123. And this is useful then if we're dealing with 29 to 37, because you don't just do 37 minus 29. That's the point I'm trying to make here. We have to add 1 on, just like we did here, to make sure we include both. And that's going to be 37 minus 29 to give 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. So actually 29 to 37 includes 9 houses. If you're not sure about it, then let me just get to the answer before I talk more. So 123 minus 9 then gives our answer of 114. Okay, so if you're not quite convinced by this adding 1, then here's a couple of ways to convince you. We'll just write them out first of all. Okay, count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's another way to do it. Or if I'm trying to explain where this plus 1 comes from, well, if we've got the numbers from 1 to 37, then there's clearly 37 numbers here. And now if we want 29 to 37, I need to minus the numbers 1 to 28. Notice it's 1 less than 29. So what I need to do is 37 minus 1 less than the number that we want as our starting number. And that hopefully now makes sense where this plus 1 comes from. We just do, I mean, you can remember to just do 37 minus 1 less than 29, or you can just do 37 minus 29 and then add 1 on. I always just remember it this way. If I want to include both values, you just subtract them and add 1 on. But you just need a method that's going to help you do this sort of question quickly, because this is the ideal quick way to do it rather than either of these two. But ultimately, in this question, as long as you get 114, then I guess you're doing okay.